Ever since Google updated Chrome's design, you might have found yourself missing that classic, familiar look. Today, I want to walk you through the facts about reverting back to the old Chrome design. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's possible, and you'll know exactly why things have changed, so you can make informed decisions moving forward. Let's dive right in. First off, a lot of users have been searching for ways to bring back Chrome's previous design after the recent refresh. You might have seen guides or forum posts that mention tweaking a particular setting called Chrome Refresh 2023. This setting, along with a few others, used to live inside Chrome's experimental features. Here's how people used to do it. They'd open up a new tab, type Chrome/flags into the address bar, and then search for Chrome Refresh 2023. From there, they could turn that flag off and get back the old look. But now, here's where it matters. The option to revert has been removed. If you head to Chrome/flags and search for Chrome Refresh 2023, you'll notice it simply doesn't exist anymore. Google regularly cleans up these experimental options, especially after officially rolling out a redesign. Once they're confident in the new look, they take away the ability to flip back. That's exactly what's happened here. So if you're hoping for a quick fix, unfortunately, it's not possible. Chrome no longer allows users to revert to its earlier appearance. I know that isn't the answer most people want to hear, but I think it helps to understand why Google made this change. Software design isn't just about looks, it's also about consistency, security, and ease of support. By standardizing everyone's Chrome experience, Google makes it simpler to update features, patch bugs, and help people use new tools. Think of it like keeping your car's operating system in sync. You wouldn't want certain models driving with radically different dashboards. Now, you might be wondering if there's any workaround, any hidden trick or extension that can magically bring back the old interface. The truth is, there currently isn't a reliable method. Most extension developers are bound by what Chrome allows, and with the official removal of those design flags, even the best custom themes can only change minor colors or icons, not the fundamental layout or structure. If you strongly prefer the previous look, my best advice is to take a little time to adjust to the new design. You could explore settings within Chrome to tweak things like dark mode, theme colors, or even use third-party themes to make it feel a bit more personalized. While it won't recreate the old design, it can at least help you feel more comfortable as you use Chrome day to day. I hope this video helps clear up the confusion and saves you a bit of time searching for solutions that no longer work. Change can be frustrating, but sometimes knowing the facts is the best way forward. If you have any questions about Chrome or want advice on browser customizations, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials and honest tech advice. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.